Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the ByBit app. So let's get started. So it's very easy process. If you are an Android user or iOS user, you have to follow this easy. Okay. So if you are an Apple user, then you have to use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, then you have to use your Google Play Store. So here I will just go to Google search bar or Google Play Store. It's same. Okay, so here I have to go and search for the app. So here I can see the app as ByBit. Okay, so from here you can directly click on the install button and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can just do it, and it's an easy process too. So this is how to download and install the ByBit app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.